Hookblock, the company behind Square and Cash App, just announced something called Buzz. They've been building it quietly since March, but it went public about a week ago, and it already has 20,000 stars on GitHub in a week. So what is this thing and why is everyone losing their minds over it? Let me show you. What is Buzz? Imagine if Slack, GitHub, and your project management tool were all the same app. And imagine if AI agents could work alongside your team in the same channels with the same abilities as a real teammate. That's Buzz. It's a workspace where humans and AI agents build together. You type myproject.com in your browser and you see your code, your conversations, your tasks, your docs, all in one place. No switching between 7 different apps that don't talk to each other. One workspace, one search bar, everything connected. And the AI agents aren't bots with limited permissions. They're full members of your team. They have their own identity. They join channels, they respond to messages, they can open pull requests. The interface. Let me show you what it actually looks like. This is the desktop app. Here's a project channel where people and an agent are coordinating on a release plan. You can see the conversation flowing, agents responding, emoji reactions, threaded replies. It feels like Slack, but everything is signed and permanent. The app has different surfaces for different kinds of work. There's Stream for real-time chat, like Slack. There's Forum for longer async discussions, more like Discourse. There are direct messages, shared documents called canvases, and a workflow builder for automation, all in the same app. Here's what it looks like when agents are active in a channel. They show up as members, not as some bot with a badge. You add an agent to a channel the same way you add a person. They have features that stand out. The media handling is genuinely nice. You can paste, drop, or attach files. Video plays inline. And here's a feature I haven't seen anywhere else. You can leave comments pinned to specific frames of a video. So if you're reviewing a demo recording, you can point at exactly the moment something breaks and leave your feedback right there. Setting up new channels is fast. Name it, describe it, set the privacy level, done. You can make channels open for anyone to join, or private and invite only. Guests like investors or partners can be invited to specific channels without seeing anything else. Built-in code hosting. Buzz has a built-in code hosting. Your workspace URL is also your code browser. You type myproject.com in a browser and you see your repositories, like a GitHub page, but it's yours, running on your server. Click into a repo and you get the file tree, the README, commit history, branches, all rendered beautifully. And yes, standard git clone and push work. Your developers use the same tools they already know. Nothing new to learn for the basics. Privacy and self-hosting. Here's where it gets really interesting. You can run the entire thing on your own server. No data leaves your network. No cloud service has access to your conversations or your code. Block, the company that built it, has zero access when you self-host. And it's not complicated. You need 4 things: the Buzz server, a database, a cache, and storage. That's it. No telemetry, no phone home, no analytics. For a small team, you need about 4 gigs of RAM. A modest server handles it comfortably. Your identity is a cryptographic key that you control. No platform can suspend your account. No one can take away your data. If you move to a different server, your identity comes with you. The one thing to know is that the server can read your messages. There's no end-to-end encryption yet. That's planned, but not here today. So whoever runs AI agents. Now the part everyone's excited about. The AI agents. These aren't chatbots that respond when you mention them. They're persistent team members with their own identity and their own history. An agent can watch a channel, notice that someone pushed code, run the tests, and post the results back, all without a human asking. An agent can triage a bug report, find duplicates from months ago, and link the relevant context. It can draft release notes from merged pull requests. It can review code and leave comments. It does all of this in the same channels where your team already works. And here's what matters for privacy-conscious teams. You can run these agents with your own AI models on your own mention them. Their hardware, no data sent to OpenAI or Anthropic. Point the agent at a automation. Buzz has built-in automation. You define workflows in simple YAML files. When someone posts a message matching a pattern, when a reaction is added on a schedule, or when a webhook fires, the workflow runs. Stats can send messages, call external services, request approval from a team member, or wait for a condition. Every step is traced, so you can see exactly what happened and in what order. This is the kind of feature that Slack paywalled for years. In Buzz, it's open source and built in. The one limitation is that workflows run steps one at a time, in order. No parallel execution yet. If you need complex multi-step pipelines with branching, you need to build that on top. But for most team automation, what's missing? Let's be honest about what Buzz doesn't do yet. It's version 0.4. This is early software. Mobile apps are still in development. There's no end-to-end encryption. There's no key recovery. Lose your private key and you lose your identity. The web interface doesn't have syntax highlighting for code. Only the desktop app does. If you're already using GitHub and it's working for you, There's no urgent reason to switch. The ecosystem is young. You'd be early. The star count is worth noting. 20,000 stars in a week is massive. That's Block's brand at work. The launch got huge attention. The code is genuinely good, but the community is still forming. Most of the contributors were, who is this? Who should actually use this? If you're a team that cares about owning your data and your infrastructure, and you want AI agents that are real team members, not just chatbots, Buzz is worth serious evaluation. If you care about privacy and want everything on your own hardware with no cloud dependencies, this is one of the best options out there. If you're already happy with GitHub and Slack and things are working, you can watch this one evolve. It's early, but the direction is right. And if you're building AI workflows, Buzz gives you something unique. Agents that are part of the team, with their own identity and history, not just API calls that disappear when the job's done. Verdict, my honest take. Buzz today is a solid 7 out of 10. The vision is incredible. The architecture is clean. The self-hosting story is real. But it's early. Workflows need more work. Encryption isn't there yet. The ecosystem is young. If you're the kind of person who runs their own servers and cares about data sovereignty, keep your eye on this one. It might be the workspace you build your next project in. That's Block Buzz. Link to the GitHub repo is in the description. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.